One of the things you want to strive for is to become a top rated seller on Fiverr. And the reason for this is because your gigs will get pushed up to the top of the search engine rankings when you're a top rated seller. Your gigs will just get found by more people on Fiverr. So when you first start out, you're considered a regular seller. You can go to fiverr.com/levels and you could see the overview and the benefits and also the requirements for each level. So you start out as a seller, and after 60 days, if you meet the requirements, you can become a level 1 seller and you'll get more benefits. One of the benefits of becoming a level 1 seller is that you'll be eligible to be featured on promotional listings. Now, after another 60 days, if you qualify, you can become a level 2 seller. And the key benefit I like about becoming a level 2 seller is that you'll be able to send custom offers up to $10,000. As a level 1 seller, you can only send custom offers up to $5,000, and same with being a regular seller. And then finally, you can become a top rated seller after another 60 days. And you'll get more benefits, and the key benefit is that like I said earlier, your gigs will show up higher in the search engine rankings on Fiverr.